Welcome back to part 2. In this video, I'll quickly explain the required documents, the application process, and the most important tips for applying to the University of Luxembourg Master Scholarship. Let's start with the required documents. You need a recent identity photo and a clear copy of your passport or identity card. EU students must provide a European health insurance card, while non-EU students can arrange health insurance after arriving in Luxembourg. You must submit your bachelor's degree certificate and a detailed transcript of all grades. If these documents are not in English, French, or German, official translations are required. You also need a language certificate proving the required CEFR level for the teaching language of your chosen program. Some programs are fully in English, but others may require French or German, so always check carefully. If your bachelor's degree is from a non-EU country, you will need degree recognition from the Luxembourg Ministry of Research and Higher Education, but this is usually requested after admission. The university may also require a motivation letter, CV, recommendation letter, or referee contact details, depending on the program. Now, the application process is simple. First, choose your master's program carefully and read the eligibility criteria. Second, prepare all documents properly and upload them through the official online portal before the deadline. After admission, top candidates are shortlisted for the scholarship. You usually don't apply separately at the beginning. The university selects eligible students from the admitted pool. If selected, you'll be contacted by email and must confirm quickly, so check your inbox regularly. Now, a few important tips. Write a strong and personalized motivation letter. Make your CV academic and relevant to your chosen field. Ensure all documents are consistent and professionally formatted. And most importantly, apply early to avoid last-minute mistakes. If you found this helpful, follow for more scholarship guides.